Hi guys, welcome back. This is day number 16 of this affiliate marketing high ticket promotion, and our goal is to go from zero to $1 million a year using this program, building a personal brand around ourselves. And uh, if you're following along so far, we've gone through several different videos. So if this is your first video, please go back. Please subscribe to this video, like this video, and if you want to talk to me personally if you're getting stuck somewhere. Go to gallenroberts.com/call, and you will get access to my calendar. And also, if you haven't set up this program already for yourself, make sure you go to these links here. Go to gallenroberts.com/sign up, which will sign you up for the program that we promote that's totally automated and will make you $200 commissions. You want to go to my website, gallenroberts.com/free access to get my mini course and to get my pro tools. You should be at that stage at least by now, video 16. You should have access to this free membership site, and you should have access to your daily leads, your email leads at gallenroberts.com/free leads. You just send out your daily emails. Again, the checklist is send out your daily emails, make 5 short videos, upload those to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts, and do that daily. And once a week, we're going to use our software here, which is vidIQ. And we're going to type in our keyword, which is, just put affiliate in there. So put in your keyword, it comes up with topics and their competition level. So how to start an affiliate marketing. So you might want to create a video, a long-term video on how to start affiliate marketing. Competition's low here, and you got high traffic for that particular keyword. So there you go. So this is your keyword tool. This is like $10 a month for this tool called vidIQ, and you're going to start creating long-term videos. Now, we're also going to transition into creating a blog in just a few videos from now. I'm going to go step by step through that process of setting up your own blog with your own personal branding. It's very simple to do. It just takes a little bit of effort to do that. So we're going to set up that. Now, we talked about going from zero to $1 million, and the best way to do that is to sell $1,000 product 1,000 times. So our goal is to create and generate enough traffic through blogs and our YouTube channel in short videos to sell 3.7 sales per day of $1,000 product. When we do that, we'll be on the road to $1 million. Now, you don't have to use just one digital product. You can do multiple different products. So eventually, as you consistently drive traffic using the methods I'm talking about here, you will have daily sales of between, of this $1,000 product. So it could be product A could be $200 commissions, product B could be $300 commissions, and then product C could be $600 commissions. And so between all the sales of your different products, your digital products, you can definitely make this amount of money. I also show you, if you go through my training here on the mini course, show you how to do social media outreach and how to sell a traffic package that will generate upwards of $10,000 per sale. So if you want to do that too, please go through and sign up for the pro version of my mini course here, and you will get access to that. So what this process is called the ecosystem marketing system. This never works. I don't know why it doesn't work. Shortcut doesn't work. All right, ecosystem marketing system works like this. We're going to get this cycle of social media traffic, free traffic going to our websites and video channels, and we're going to convert them in the brand of us, right? This is us. This system is us, right? And then once they're in our system, we have an opportunity to sell them different levels of products. So maybe they start out just buying that first level of product, but we're building this relationship with our customers, and then we can offer them a different level of product. And maybe some of those will convert into $10,000 customers, where it's a done for you marketing system, which I show you how to set up using social media outreach. So that being said, you can also fixes this problem here where it's just direct linking to an affiliate offer, which is what a lot of people teach out there. Since we're building a system around our own brand, we are building a relationship with our customers and clients, and getting them and teaching them and training them and helping them achieve their goals, which is to make money online and have a consistent income. Instead of a one-time sale, we're teaching them how to generate a lifetime of income. So why we don't use paid traffic is because paid traffic is like building your system on an island and then shipping all your customers to you and hoping that they purchase your product or service. You can waste a lot of money doing this because not everybody that you ship to the island will actually end up buying anything. So what we do is we go to social media, we set up our little store, our little branding here on social media. We have an endless source of traffic because that's where the traffic is. And we are inviting people into our system, building that relationship first marketing, you can call it. We offer them several different values, or we offer several different values. The first value is labor, our skills and labor, manager, system builder, and then creator and visionary. So what I'm trying to do is get you up this hierarchy or this ladder here and show you step by step how you can progress from just using your own time and skills to becoming a manager where you're building a team. And then I show you how to build systems to automate and to expand this even further where you have a system of managers under you. And then show you how to be a creator and visionary where you can have multiple systems building multiple streams of income throughout the system. So that's it in a nutshell what we're doing. This is day number 16 of this video series. Again, we're going to go into building ourselves a blog very shortly and start creating content for that as well. So if you're following along, do your daily task. If you want to talk to me directly, please go to gallenroberts.com/call and set up a time on my calendar. I'd love to talk to you and see how I can assist you further. And if you have any other questions, please contact me. Also subscribe and like this video. I'll see you in the next one.